morning, students. Welcome to your geography class, chapter 3, Migration Part 2. In first part, you know about what is migration and what is immigration and immigration. Today we'll know about types of migration. There are two types of migration: internal migration and international migration. International migration is also known as external migration. So first we will know what is internal migration. Refers to the movement of people within the same country. That means inside one country only they are changing the places from one place to another place. So there are many ways in which international migration take place. First one is rural to urban, when people move from village to cities. Urban to urban, when people move from small town to larger cities. Rural to rural migration, when people move from one village to another. Then urban to rural migration, when people move from one cities to village. Now, what is the cause of movement of this type of migration? Why they are moving from rural to urban? It happens due to poverty, unemployment, and lack of social amenities such as health and education. This type of migration is common in the developing countries of Asia and South America. Now, urban to urban migration. It happens due to poor infrastructures, lack of educated, unemployment opportunities. Example, in India, many people have migrated from small towns and cities to the metropolitan cities such as Delhi and Mumbai in search of job and better education and health facilities. The next one is rural to rural migration. It happens due to people or farmers move from one overcrowded village to area with less population or more fertile land and better irrigation facilities. People when from one villages they have the population is more, the fertile land is less. So they move from one village to another village to get the fertile land and for better irrigation facilities. This type of migration is common in the India and in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Now next one is urban to rural migration, cause it happens when certain cities become overpopulated, resulting shortage of housing, traffic congestion, and population. Shortage of housing means house become very less. There are less number of houses and more population, so people move from urban, that means from cities to village. For example, Mumbai, Shanghai and London are examples of metropolitan cities where thousands of people commute to work from the surrounding suburban areas. Internal migration also take place like forced migration. Sometimes political unrest in a particular region may force to move out from there and settle elsewhere in the country. This is called forced migration. For example, the immigration of many people from Kashmir to different part of India. Next, now we'll read about international or the external migration. So what is international or external migration? International immigration is also known as external migration. I told you before, it refers to the movement of people from one country to another. So for this, they need permission. And when people immigrate from their home country with the legal permission of the receiving country is known as legal migration. And when people move out from their country without any legal permission, they violate the immigration laws of receiving country and cross the border illegally is known as illegal migration. International migration takes place due to the natural calamities, climatic change, and civil war. So I hope you all have understood the video. Thank you.